So one of the big things that we're doing this evening is launching the Joseph Giles door furniture range. And let me preface this by saying that architectural hardware, and let's just call it hardware, is a slow-moving, conservative industry. But when you start to get up to the top end of the market, where sort of we all live and breathe, and sometimes the air gets quite thin up here. Our clients live in quite interesting environments, shall we say. It can become, and is becoming, and in fact is very creative. We start to deal with engineers and designers on the manufacturing side who are not building to a cost structure, are not building to create scale or manufacturing for scale. They are creating, it's not just engineering, it's creating unique, living, breathing, tactile, yet fully functional implements for our daily lives.
Isn't one of these meant to resemble the barrel of a gun?
Well, absolutely. I mean, now,
amazing, really incredible.
I've had 2 champagnes and I've gone blank. So this is the Gluckman knob. Now, I challenge anybody, you can put this on your bedroom door, it's a fully operating knob set, but I challenge anybody in this room to tell me that they've seen an operating knob set that looks anything like this. Now, the starting point for the design was the hand grip on classic English shotguns, the knurling and the curve there. They took that as their starting point and said, okay, well, we're going to incorporate that into a piece of architectural hardware. So what you've got is an incredibly well realised and implemented piece of creative engineering. The proportions are perfect. The knurling, and you would all know that knurling is a big thing at the moment in cabinetware and in door hardware. And you always tell the quality of knurling by the depth, how far into the metal the lattice is cut.
Okay, knurling, I've just learned a new word.
Knurling? Okay. Knurling, for those of you who haven't come across this before, is a very commonly used treatment of metal in industrial applications to give grip. So if you've got a tool that you need to grip and turn, they'll cut a lattice work into it and you get grip on it. It's called knurling, it's a strange word.
And it's kind of industrial.
It's industrial, but it's quite, aesthetically
pieces.
it's quite pleasing.
Yeah.
And in the hand it's very tactile and it gives you grip. And it's moved from that purely industrial context into the domestic, and that is one of the big trends that we're seeing in hardware at the